And here's the big blizzard. As we can see, the window is catching snow that's driving in from the east, which is kind of odd. Faithful Hound and I ready to go out and do chores. See if we can get the wind and the snow to open up for us. A little bit of snow. One excited dog. Check. You gonna go do some chores? We gonna go do some chores? We didn't have to jump over the snow this morning. So the wind is blowing it off of the truck on this side. Whatever a little bit collected over here, stuck. Oh. Well, you can tell the trail there. But it's good. It's near a whiteout situation. And and we're excited, aren't we, Val? We're gonna go do some chores. Let's go. Let's go. Snorts and wheezes. And well, maybe not the best conditions, but somebody wonders what the hell I've been doing all day. Hi there. And in case you thought he was on his last legs, those legs look pretty good. And this attitude is just fine too. Yes. Job for the day, fill that thing back up. For that thing to keep filling him up, right? That's the current status of affairs on Green Hill Farm. Or maybe we should call it White Hill Farm. Love you.